Morning guys. So today pupunta tayo sa ice cream shop since day off ko and last day off ko tomorrow may ice cream shop. Ice cream shop talaga. Sasagot muna tayo ng mga question sa YouTube channel natin. May mga question pero hindi ko muna siya actually masasagot lahat. So out nga pala kay wow, kakaiba yung pangalan niya. Soul Tuber at kay Mars Game Corner, kay iShoes Craft Kids Club na nag-comment nitong umaga. Pagising ko may comment. So, thank you po sa pag-comment. And then, thank you din Miss Jocelyn Makinay sa laging panonood at kay Sheng De La Cruz, kay Miss Gletzel, doon sa pag-comment doon sa laing recipe natin or laing doon sa short sa laing. And then kay Ate Ian, kung gusto niyo pa lang manood ng mga baking, yan, follow niyo yung James Sweets vlog. At sa aking anak na lagi nagko-comment din kung ano-anong kino-comment niya. Okay. At kay Miss Annalyn Sendenya. So, ang sabi ito yung follow-up doon sa last vlog ko about sa nursing. First job as a nurse sa California, kung ano ba yung experience ko. So, sabi ni Dan Sigel, sabi niya, ba't po ba ang hirap makahanap ng work dito sa South California? SoCal ang tawag nila, SoCal. I'm struggling landing a job as a registered nurse. I got my license a few months ago. No nurse experience back in the Philippines, but I am licensed there too. Yeah, I'm licensed too sa Pilipinas actually. I work abroad as an ESL teacher. Wow, galing. Tapos, nandito na ako sa US, currently working as a caregiver. Dami ko na po na-applyan na hospital, wala pa rin response. Maybe because I had no hospital experience. Any advice or tips? I have certification of ACLS, PULSE, and BLS. Gel, I would also tell you my experience about applying in the hospital, but not in South California. It's in NorCal, in North California. So, kung panunuorin niyo yung last vlog ko, ang first job ko is nursing, as a registered nurse is sa SNFs o sa skilled nursing facility. Sa skilled nursing facility, ang tawag din namin is short-term unit. So, sa hospital din namin, if antibiotic na lang ang kulang or just to finish the course of antibiotic of our patient, we transfer them or we discharge them in a skilled nursing facility. My experience, nung nag-a-apply ako, bago kami lumipat dito sa ibang state, I applied to various different hospital. Kasi I was so worried na kapag lumipat kami dito, kung nasan man kami, is they won't hire me kasi wala akong hospital experience. So, ang nangyari, nag-apply ako sa different hospitals sa North California. Oh my God, sa North California. Yung North, South Carolina, sa North California. Sa Northern California. So, I applied actually sa Seton, sa my Daly City. I applied sa John Muir. I applied even sa UCSF, sa psych unit nila. And then, I applied kahit as malayo as in 2 hours away from our house. Ganon ako kadesperada mag-apply sa hospital just because I want a hospital experience. Guess what? I did not receive any response from them. And some I received I applied to Stanford and Sutter, and they did not even email me back about my application. The only ones that email me back is the John Muir sa East Bay, which is like, I think it's gonna be like an hour travel from our home. And ang reply nila is, I'm not qualified. And then, actually sa Seton, guys, yung Seton may may tumulong na sa akin no na, may tumulong na sa akin to apply for there para kaibigan namin. Pinakilala pa niya ako dun sa unit supervisor nila or sa director or whoever. And binigay pa niya yung number niya nung director or supervisor. And guess what? Hindi rin siya nag-respond sa akin or hindi man lang siya nagsabing, I won't be able to hire you. You know, sabi pa niya, I'll give you a chance to work here in the hospital. Tinuro pa niya ako sa hospital. Hindi naman ako natanggap. Hindi rin. So, parang hirap na hirap ako, no? Tapos, nung last minute, natawagan ako sa UCSF. Doon medyo pero nagka-chance ako na baka ma-hire ako sa psych unit nga lang. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng interview. But then, hindi ko na siya natapos actually kasi lilipat na kami dito. Last minute na kasi yun nung ano. Pero yung interview nila sa UCSF is panel. So, 3 people or 4 people ask kanila ng mga situational about sa psych unit nila. And then, marami kami actually, you know. And then, last is yung Davita sa dialysis nila. In the same thing, it's a panel, you know. So, ganun sila sabi ko, hindi ko alam na ganun pala sila mag-interview. Kasi ang experience ko for interview is only SNF or skilled nursing facility, which is very, like, tatanungin ka lang nila kung anong natapos mo, kung ano yung na-experience mo dito sa US na work. And then, yung ganun parang friendly conversation lang. Lalo na dun sa second job ko as a SNF. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, 2 jobs ako sa California. Both skilled nursing facility kasi dun ako madaling natanggap. But both, I think, may kakilala ako sa una and then sa pangalawa. Sa pangalawa, wala. Nagpasa lang ako dun ng resume. So, yun. Sa pangalawang job ko, I was hired as a charge nurse. So, next time na yun yung experience ko as a charge nurse sa skilled nursing facility and why I'm not doing it here in the hospital even though they offering it. So, next time na yun. So, anyway, yun. So, hindi ako so medyo na down ako kasi it's so hard to find a work in the hospital. Don't worry, Miss Jel, you're not alone. Kasi, I'm part of this, group sa Facebook, yung mga naghahanap ng work din sa California. And the same thing as you have, you know, like, nahihirapan silang maghanap ng work sa hospital. And I'm not sure why. I think maybe, I know Kaiser mahirap talaga magkapasok sa hospital nila. I think you have to know somebody and also sila yung parang per grade or per level ng nursing. So I've read this. I don't know if this is you because parang kapareho ng ng situation mo. Sabi niya, I wanna start off with saying this is a long post. So anyway, 7 months since I have a license, I can't even land a SNF job. So siya naman, kahit SNF, wala siyang mahanap na job. So, nag-a-apply siya kahit saan daw, sabi niya. And she's very sad and exhausted, being discouraged and disappointed, sabi niya ganun. And sabi niya, I don't have previous healthcare experience since graduating because I was applying to new grad programs. Sabi niya, I want to add, sabi niya, I cannot leave the state, but I have applied to jobs up to 3 hours away. So, yun ang experience niya. So, medyo mahirap talaga, no? Dami actually naghahanap. Sabi niya, mayroon pa ditong isang post. Sabi niya, for those who are searching for a job out nursing school, how long have you been searching? Sabi niya, I've honestly settled for a school nursing job for now. So, try a nursing job, like a school nurse job, probably. Baka makahanap ka. Ito namang isa, 2 months and counting. Sabi niya, graduated December 2023, licensed February, first offer July. Should add, I only applied to hospitals. So, dun sa mga sabi na natanggap sa hospital, you could look the background. Maybe mayroon silang kakilala na tumulong sa kanila na makapasok sa hospital. Sinabi ko na naghahanap siya ng work sa hospital, may mga nag-comment din doon. Ang sabi niya, merong isang comment, sabi niya, 7 months and 4 days after graduation, sabi niya, doon siya nakahanap ng job. 220 applications. 50 reconfigurations to my resume. So, sabi naman nung isa, sorry to hear about your experiences. Sabi niya, the Bay Area is ridiculously competitive. Build your network as best as you can. Try to meet healthcare workers and nurses, especially if you can where you want to work. Get as much experience. I had a friends and folks I've known commute 3+ hours. I myself did this for a while during nursing school. Build your support network. Staying positive. Maintain a diary or journal can be helpful, especially cultivating a mindfulness and gratitude practice. Just do your best to keep things in perspective. Many people are always coming to California and the Bay Area, especially because of higher wages. So I want to add about that. Especially California is a very competitive state because they pay higher wages. That is very right. So travelers always go there. Some other people, what they do, they apply outside California, and then when they get accepted in a hospital outside California, they just get 2 years experience, 3 years experience, and then apply again back to California. Ganun yung ginagawa ng iba actually. So maybe it would help you to do that if you have family in Las Vegas or Arizona or something na medyo malapit-lapit sa California. So you apply outside the California, and then after 2 years of getting experience, mas madali nang maka-apply. Actually, ganun talaga. Parang need nila talaga nung may experience sa hospital. Or if you're a new grad, yun nga, mas madali kasi nursing new grad program. But I don't think so kasi marami din ako nakakita dito na nahirapan ding maghanap. So, good. Try reapplying to SNFs every few months. They're always having people leaving, so it doesn't hurt to try again. So, meron pang mga comment. I totally understand. Have you tried Fremont Hospital? This is like, I think I applied here too and I wasn't. Hindi din nila ako tinawagan. It's a psych hospital and they're always hiring new grads. If you don't mind going far, St. Agnes in Fresno, always hiring. The only problem is the almost 4 hours from San Francisco. So, but you're in South, California, so I understand. So, sabi niya, nag-apply din daw siya doon, but haven't heard back. So ito, last comment, sabi niya, this is such a common situation in the Bay Area. You are not alone. It is completely normal to struggle when you are getting repeated rejection. If you're comfortable with it, and if it wasn't me already who look at your resume, send it over. So, may tumulong naman. Sabi niya, I second to this. New things nurse help me land my dream job. Definitely reach out and also get help for interviews. That's true. If you need, ito talaga, it's not yung sabi nga ng asawa ko, it's not your experience, it's the people who inside that company or inside that hospital, which actually is true. When we moved here, sa state namin, I was not very confident na makakapasok ako sa hospital kasi nga sa California, hindi ako nakapag-work as a hospital, sa SNF lang. So nung nag-apply ako dito, skilled nursing facility ang una kong in-applyan, and then rehab hospital ang in-applyan ko. But yung rehab hospital na yon is like skilled nursing facility din sa California. And then I know somebody, kasi nung bago kami lumipat dito, my husband, thanks to my husband na napaka-supportive, he joined a group, and then he posted there na my wife is a nurse, and do you know any hospital na hire? And as a community of a small Filipino community here where we are, may maraming nag-respond, and one respond, sabi niya, send me your resume, sabi niya, I will help you get into the hospital, sabi niya gano'n. And actually marami ding nag-apply, as in marami ring nag-message na gano'n, same thing. But ang minessage ko is yung yung babae na yun, kasi yun yung nakausap ng asawa ko mismo. Pero marami din siyang nakausap actually. So, doon ako nag-ano sa kanya, send. Nung lumipat na kami dito, doon niya pinasa yung resume ko. And nag-apply na rin ako sa iba kasi I don't think I can get it because as I said, nahirapan nga ako sa California dito pa kaya sa nandito kami, But after, 2 weeks, tinawagan ako ng hospital for interview. And I was so happy. And yung interview nila, guys, hindi katulad sa California na panel. 2 tao lang, the charge nurse and the director nung unit. Nung unit hindi nung buong hospital. Nung unit, kasi malaking hospital yun eh. Nung unit ang nag-interview sa akin. And they just interviewed me. What's my history, my background, where did I graduate. Doon medyo toro sila. And then also, they asked me about experiences, situational. So, tinignan nila kung ano yung sasagot ko. Yan. So, yun yung mga, So, ano yung experience ko dun sa previous job ko sa SNF. Yun, medyo mag-correlate na yun. And then, yung preference ko should be the people that I work with, sa SNF, sa skilled nursing facility. So, yun yung aking take on. Mahaba. Mahaba yung Pero, Miss Jel, huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. Makahanap ka rin ng work. Try skilled nursing facility. Or like I said, don't give up like the others. Hindi lang ikaw ang nahirapang maghanap ng job sa nursing industry sa California. Actually, dito din, where I moved, I'm pretty sure kung wala akong kakilala, I won't be able to get called, sa hospital. Kasi I applied sa isang hospital dito sa amin na malapit. As in, malapit lang siya, 5 minutes away. And I never got a call from them. Never. Ako tinawagan, nakakuha agad ako ng rejection letter. But then, actually, nung nag-try ako mag-apply ulit, kasi yung one of our coworker nag-apply dito sa malapit sa amin, actually helped me. How? So, if you work inside the hospital, hindi ko alam na ganito pala yun. Doon ko lang nalaman nung... So, nung nagwo-work na siya doon, she sent me a letter. Yung letter na yun is galing sa HR na nag-hire sila ng nurse. Ngayon, yung letter na yun is my referral ID nung coworker mo o nung not coworker, nung nagre-refer sa'yo o nung kakilala ko. Yung referral ID na yun, kailangan kong i-enter doon sa email para makita ng HR na yun I was referred by someone who is inside the hospital para madali nilang ma-pull up yung aking resume. So, ang nangyari, after 2 days, I got the call for interview. So, ganun pala yun. So, it's not who you are or it's not kung ano experience mo. Sometimes, it's someone you know from inside that company or that hospital. So, ang ending, I was able to interview. Iba din yung interview nila, pero Zoom lang. So, sa Zoom lang kami sa computer. Panel din sila, like 4 people asking you questions about situational, your background, or, but mostly situational. And then, your schedule, they want to know about your schedule. How will you work? How will you work with this kind of people? How will you deal with difficult or challenging situations? So, yun. I was able to get that job, also, the one near us, but I did not accept it because they offer less than what I was making dito sa hospital na pinag-work ko. I don't know why, but actually the one that I'm working right now, they're very good when it comes to salary. They increase every year, and then they increase not also every year, but every midterm ba tawag? Quarterly, I don't know. Yung mid ng year, kasi may mid review kayo, 'di ba? So it depend doon yung magiging raise ng salary mo. So, yun. Anyway, guys, napahaba na yung aking sasabihin. Pupunta lang tayo sa ice cream shop kung ano-ano ng mga nasabi ko. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, no. So, they're all eating ice cream.
You've arrived.
Yeah, they have cheese. Oh, 31 minutes. They have that. Cheese. Yeah, we can get milk. Milk. Yeah, I'm gonna get the chocolate. Story. You have ice cream. Maybe we can go back to for the ice cream, like a gallon of ice cream. So this. Let's see. They're so good. So you wanna get milk? That's how you. They have milkshakes and see, there's a lot of cars in here just to get ice cream, and this is far, right?
Peaches and cream, waffle cone, 1 scoop. And then can I get a milkshake?
Hey, yeah. This is peaches. I ordered the peaches and cream. It's good. You wanna try it? It's really good. We're running away from. It's really good. Tapos siya, milkshake yung in-order niya. Tikman natin. Can you taste the milkshake?
Go ahead, baby.
Tastes good.
Yeah. Ice cream's good too.
That one too tastes good, right?
Yeah, really good.
Their ice cream is really good.
The kid there.
And the line got longer. You're just right in time.
Yeah, the whole motorcycle gang came.
How's your milkshake?
It's good.
So yan guys, nandito kami ngayon, nag-stop over kami, may binili lang ulit si Phil, and then nakain na namin yung ice cream, naubos niya na yung milkshake niya, but we're going to a store sa malapit dito sa ice cream man, medyo malayo din, 30 minutes. Tapos bibili kasi siya ng shirt, nandun yung bilihan ng shirt na gusto niya, yung shop. Yan, medyo particular kasi siya sa sa mga t-shirts, so doon kami bibili. Tapos 'di ba, bumili kami ng milk doon. Bumili kami ng milk doon sa doon sa ice creaman. Ang galing nga eh. Ayan. Tapos bumili din ako ng chocolate milk. Iba siya, iba yung lasa niya. Andun na pala siya, oh. Ayan. What happened? Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, here you go. There you got the Linkin Park. That's nice. Beastie Boys. Yep. And what is that?
STP.
STP.
Stone Temple.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, SOS. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
STP. Okay. Nice. You have nice shirts, babe. Yan guys, nasa bahay na kami. Magluluto ako ng munggo. Dahil nagluto yung nanay ko ng isda. So, masarap na kapartner niya is munggo. Say munggo. Munggo. Say thank